Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Grenfell, Saskatchewan. This charming prairie town is located along the Trans-Canada Highway about 125 kilometers east of Regina. Grenfell was founded in the 1880s when the Canadian Pacific Railway came through, bringing settlers from many different backgrounds to the area. The town was named after Pascoe Grenfell, a director with the railway company. Like many places in Saskatchewan, Grenfell has deep farming roots, with wide fields of grain and canola stretching out in every direction. Over the years, the town has grown while keeping its small-town warmth and welcoming spirit. Grenfell is known for its lovely parks, quiet streets, and strong community pride. Visitors can enjoy local history at the Grenfell Museum or stop at nearby regional parks for a walk or picnic. With its friendly people and peaceful prairie views, Grenfell is a wonderful place to visit and take in a bit of Saskatchewan's history. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Grenfell, Saskatchewan.